Despite opposition by several states and unrest over the amended Citizenship Act, the Union Cabinet today approved a proposal to update the National Population Register. The NPR, though linked to the census, is being perceived as a first step towards a nationwide exercise to implement the National Register of Citizens across the country. At this point, the NPR doesn't necessarily mean that an NRC will follow, but the same is widely speculated. This as some states like West Bengal and Kerala have stopped work on the NPR. The Kerala government recently said it has ordered a stay on all the activities in connection with the NPR in the state, considering apprehensions of the public that it would lead to NRC in the wake of the controversial Citizenship Act. The Census Commission claims that the objective of the NPR is to create a comprehensive identity database of every resident of the country. The usual resident of the country for the exercise is a person who has lived in an area for at least 6 months or more, or a person who intends to live in an area for the next 6 months or more. The database will have demographic as well as biometric details. It is mandatory for every resident of India to register in the NPR. The NPR exercise will be held between April and September 2020 in all states and union territories except Assam, where the National Register of Citizens exercise to identify illegal migrants has already been conducted. The data for the NPR was first collected in 2010 during the second term of the United Progressive Alliance government, along with the House listing phase of the census 2011. Even the BJP ally Lok Janshakti Party recently hinted at opposing the NRC, with Chirag Paswan stating that the nationwide protests show that the centre has failed to dispel confusion among a significant section of society. Even Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy has said that his government will oppose NRC nationwide. With the controversial Citizenship Act and NRC already creating trouble for the BJP, the cabinet decision on the NPR is bound to ruffle some feathers.